In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to copy and paste in Minecraft with Worldedit. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I'm going to assume that you have Worldedit already installed and updated to its according version. If you don't have Worldedit, make sure to go over to the Worldedit CurseForge website and download it, and after you set it up properly, which I'm not going to show you how to do in this video, in game, the first thing you need are admin privileges or cheats enabled. So if you are on single player, make sure you allow cheats somehow, either by going through creative mode or just allowing cheats through the LAN menu. And like I said, in multiplayer, you need to be an OP. Now, all you have to do either in single player or multiplayer is open up chat and type //wand, and you will get this wooden axe in your hand or your hotbar. This is what we're going to be using to be copying the structure or thing that we want to copy. As you can see, I want to copy this little hut. So you have to select it in a square or a rectangle or basically a 3D space. So the first corner I'm going to select is this bottom right corner over here. So first, left click to select the first position, and now right click on the second position, so the top right corner on the back is what I'm going to select. As you can probably imagine, this is now a selection, a 3D cube, and all I have to do to copy this structure is type //copy after selecting both positions. As you can see, the 27 blocks inside this structure were copied, and now I can just walk over to somewhere else, clean up a space, and type //paste. And as you can see, it was pasted according to our position. You can also type //undo if you want to take it away and maybe try it again in a better position. Remember to always type 2 slashes. As you can see, the entire thing was now copied again in this new position. I hope I was able to help you on how to copy and paste in Minecraft with Worldedit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.